Brockton. It's been many years since I talked to all these beautiful people. How we doing tonight? That sounds so sweet. Drown me out in that, baby. I want to hear even louder. Let me hear my name one more time. TKO! 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 If you don't know, I've been out of wrestling for 5 years, and I recently made the decision to come back.
Welcome back! Welcome back! Welcome back! Welcome back! Welcome back!
Thank you. And I do appreciate that, but to be perfectly honest with everybody in this room, I don't feel like this was a great welcome back. And no, it's certainly not because of you guys, and I'd like to think I did my best as well. But that cowardly little prick that just ran blindside out that door, I think we got to do something about him. So let me ask you something. I'm a fellow masshole, just like everybody else in here. Brockton, is this the city of champions? Is Brockton the place where real fighters come to do their business? Well, sounds to me like I got an opponent who won't stay in this ring long enough for me to run my hands around his weaselly little neck. And seeing as we're in an amazing place like Brockton, BRG, October 24th, si tú tienes los huevos, I challenge you